Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ngong, Matasia. We are exactly 1.9 kilometers from the tarmac and exactly 3.5 kilometers from Ngong town. Behind me is a gated estate of 5 units. Each unit has a print area of 150 square meters and each home has been built on a 50 by 100 lot like this one. As you can see from there, each home comes with a 2-car parking like this one, a front yard on the far end and an extra garden on this side. The price of each unit is 8.5 million. I'll take you inside. One thing that you notice is that each unit comes with 2 doors, a metal casement door and a normal wooden door. This living room is massive, sufficient for your standard family, and I like the combination of colors. Initially, I thought this is a wallpaper, but it's a wall master that has been very well applied. I know some of you do not get enticed by these madoidos which are done by low-cost housing developers, but to some extent they make some people very happy. The dining area of this home is behind me, slightly sunken and separating itself from the main living room, and I like it that it will be sufficient for a 6-seater to an 8-seater dining set. The dining area comes with a wash basin, a mirror, and a hard towel holder. The dining area opens to the kitchen through this access, and it makes it easy for the person in the kitchen to pass food to the dining area with ease. I'll take you to the kitchen. For 8.5 million, me and you expected a better equipped kitchen. This kitchen comes with this space that is supposed to act as your pantry and it looks horrible. But you can modify it to make it a better and a well-equipped pantry. The kitchen comes with grey granite countertops that matches very well with the floors of this kitchen. I like it that it comes with a double sink, a tilting faucet, and it is just next to the window for good natural lighting as you are washing your utensils. Some architects leave this space for your washer and dryer, but in this case, the space might not be enough if you have the big machines. This section has been reserved for your refrigerator and this space has been set aside for your cooking stove. I'll take you to the kitchen garden. All this space should be your kitchen garden, but right now it has not been attended to. But by the time you are coming here, it will be all sorted. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, this hallway will take you to the bedrooms area. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is just next to me, and this is the primary bedroom. I'll show you the common washroom and later we will see the first bedroom. The common washroom is at the end of the hallway and it comes with all the standard features that you expect. Let's see the first bedroom. I like it that the wooden floor theme also continues to the bedrooms. The first bedroom comes with its closet here and its bathroom on my right hand side. This closet comes with some sections here for the foldable clothes, 3 drawers down there, and this section for your hangable clothes. Let's see the bathroom. The bathroom comes with a showering area on this side, a wash basin at the center, and a bathroom area on this other side. Let's see the second bedroom. If you buy this home, this bedroom will be set aside for the bigger kids. The bedroom is slightly bigger than the one that we just saw. It comes with a slightly bigger closet and its bathroom is here. This bathroom is exactly similar to the one that we saw. The bedroom comes with 2 windows and this space is massive to fit a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. There is no need of showing you the bathroom because it's just similar to the one that I showed you earlier. The primary bedroom is just on the opposite side of the second bedroom. It is obvious that the primary bedroom is the biggest. It comes with the biggest closet, and at the center of the closet you have a dresser. I like it that the closet comes with these spaces for the shoes. The primary bedroom comes with the biggest window. It also comes with an extra window on this side, and this space is sufficient for a king size or a queen size bed. Let's see the bathroom. The primary bathroom is just standard, not the biggest that we have seen for that amount, though it comes with all the fixtures that you expect. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. As I already said, these homes are going for only 8.5 million. If you are interested, feel free to call us on the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.